Hello everyone. Are you going to appear for your September 25 attempt? And अभी तक हमने अपना टाइम स्केड्यूल नहीं बनाया है. बनाया तो बहुत बार है, but I am not able to follow my time schedule as well. Now we are at the right track. Yes, because we are in a race of providing the free education. We are in a race of providing the AI plus study material because no gyan, only stick to the AI smart. I'm Kriti Nagi. I'm Chartered Accountant and AI expert, and we are in a race of providing the education to help the students to clear this attempt in a very first go, and that too in a very easy manner, so that they will be help you to concentrate on your exams also and clear your exams in this attempt also. So let's dive into the video. Firstly, log into CA GPT app with your NRO number, with your date of birth, with your intermediate or your course login that you want to do that. And you will be able to reach over here. You will be able to reach over this page. After that, you will be able to select any course, any paper that you want to appear for it. Otherwise, you will be able to select any paper. I'm going to select the taxation and law, and you will be able to reach over there. Firstly, whenever I'm interacting with the GPT, always used to say hi to the GPT so that GPT will be able to give me a response in a very immediate manner. Like I said hi to the GPT, sir, how can I assist you with your CA intermediate preparation? I'm hoping like that you will be able to clear your attempt in this attempt only. With that, I'm going to give this prompt to the GPT. I'm appearing for my CA Intermediate September 25 exams. I have 3 weeks to prepare. Please help me to plan my study timetable. Please help me to prepare time to time and day schedule. Let's see how GPT will be able to create your timetable, because every point of time, if you want to create your timetable related to subject by subject, then give the name of the subject and the time you want to frame. Otherwise, I have given complete list because I want to prepare for all of my exams and I want to clear in a very first attempt. At that point of time, I have not given any kind of a subject name, but I have given it I'm an intermediate student and I'm going to appear for September 25, and it help you to completely focus and give you very elaborated and detailed aspect. See, I'm going to scroll my screen, just see how I'll be able to give it to you. So completely time to time, it has given you the complete schedules. Target is 12 to 13 hours a day with the break. That means with the adjustments. It was given you very complete and structured timetable from 6 a.m. to at least your night, that is 10:30 and sleep. If you are a person who are not a day person, that means you used to study at a night. At that point of time, you can give the time schedule also to the GPT. GPT will help you to frame the time schedule accordingly. That means I want to study at a night. I can give it to the GPT. I want to study at night and help me to prepare my timetable accordingly. So I have given a customized one. I want the GPT to prepare my study timetable according to the night hours. That means I don't want to study at a early morning. I cannot get up at a 6 a.m. every point of time. That means it will start your study from the 10 a.m. So it's supposed to be feel like that you are going to start your study 10 a.m. in the morning. I said wake up at a 10 a.m. Then your schedule will be proceeding. So sleep at a 10 a.m. So that means you're going to study till 4 a.m. in the morning, and this is your schedule. See, it has given you a complete revisionary, complete details, rotation of the subjects, and you will be able to focus on your revisionary aspects and later on other detailing also. If you want to customize, you can customize according to your daytime schedule. If you have any other schedule in between, GPT will help you to structure each and everything in a wide and detailed manner. Say the few seconds also that will help you to structure your schedules for your exams. And I really hope you will be able to clear your exams with the help of GPT, with the assistance, with my assistance also, and you will be able to clear your exams in this attempt also. Completely best wishes from my side to all of you, so that you will be able to clear your exams in this attempt. If you need any kind of assistance from my side, I am completely available for you. Drop your comments in the comment box if you need any kind of other assistance from to get our prompt library for your study schedules, for your revisionary matters. Then definitely drop a comment in the comment box. I'll share my prompt library for the study structure with you, and you will be able to get a ready-made AI prompts for your own self, because I am going to assist you, each one of you, in your studies, and you will be able to clear your exams. And much for joining us. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and share this video with everyone who are going to appear for this attempt, because we are in a race of clearing the CA in this attempt only. Thank you so much. Stay connected. All the very best.